Good morning. I hope all is well with you so far. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show students' averages. Like, let's say you want to see your class average on a particular assignment and you want that to appear in the gradebook. Let's say you want to see like the class average for a particular assignment is at 80% or something along that line. Okay, right now I'm in one of my dummy courses and I have a student's grade book up right now. Okay, here's the grade book with my students in it. And if I click on one of these students, you'll see this is what I have so far. Like I have what the assignment is, calculated weight, the grade, the range, and I've also have the percentage to show. So now if I decide I want to include their class averages, I'm going to go to the setup, which is where I would set everything else up as well. So setup, and then course grade settings. And now I'm going to scroll down to the user report, which is what the student will see. And you see by default, this is hidden. So now I have that set to show. I have the grades set to show, weightings show. And I've also got the letter grades to show for that student, for the students. Because by default, those are hidden as well. The class average, any feedback, weightings, the course contribution, and if you see here, show average, and this is an explanation of what that will do. Now, there is a risk that it may be able to, it's not likely, but if you have a small class, it's possible that students can guess each other's averages. However, if you have a relatively large class, that's highly unlikely. Set that to show, save the changes, and we're going to hit that. So now let's go back to the graded report. And now you see a new column has been added, average. And remember, you go to setup, course grade settings, and use a report to make these changes, and then you'll save the changes. And if you do have additional questions, you can reach eLearning at wprater@macniece.edu or jstaves@macniece.edu. Until next time, goodbye.